How to add portfolio to Shopify. So for this, we will use the search bar, and here we will search for Xifi portfolio. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but we want to search for this in the Shopify App Store. I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So you want to get this application, it's free, Xifi, photo gallery, and portfolio. It will tell us that we can show our portfolio, photo gallery, image gallery, so on and so forth. So I'll just click on install here and just add it permission or give it permission to our Shopify store. And it will automatically take us to the setup page, and I'll show you how we can add this. So it's going to look like this, easy portfolio gallery. Now here we want to click on add new album, and you will title it portfolio. So here we can actually give or add all of the content here. So for example, worked 3 years as, and type out this. So I assume that you will have this text ready here. So basically you want to type out your content right here. And what we can also do is upload a photo. So right here, we want to click on save album. And now, as you can see, we will be able to upload a photo as well. So we can click on add photo. And here we can select a photo from our PC, and you can add your portfolio photos as well here from this page. And basically after we have set this up, then we'll just again click on save album, and we will go to manage albums. And as you can see, we have the portfolio ready. So now if we click on it, then this will automatically take us to the to our store. And as you can see, the portfolio has been added here. And if you have added any images, then they will load right here. And you can also change the text like I just showed you. So that's how you add a portfolio to Shopify. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.